In today's video, we're heading out to the shops, doing some retail arbitrage, and we have just 1 hour to do it. And we're going to be seeing how many items we can find which actually make profit on Amazon FBA. So today we'll be hitting 2 shops, Dunelm and Home Bargains. Both of these are shops in the UK. We'll be showing you the good and bad, and we'll be reviewing the product we find fully back in the office later on today. So come along with us now. We're going to be heading out to the shops, and we'll see you back in the office later to review some of the items we find. And just before we do get stuck into it, if you did enjoy this video, please do give it a like and subscribe to the channel as well. We post Amazon FBA videos every single Thursday. But let's go do some retail arbitrage. So first up, we had Home Bargains, and we got scanning using the Profitl mobile app. So the first item we scanned was this Oral-B toothbrush. It looked good, as you can see from the screenshot, but we noticed this was for a pack of 3, so this would be a negative profit. So that's something you need to be careful of when doing retail arbitrage, as the barcodes can be for a different quantity number, so you could actually end up losing money. Now we moved on to the pet aisle next and scanned loads of items. One of these, Baker's Allsort. These would be minus 24p profit, so no good. After a bit more scanning, we moved on. We came across these for Breeze, and it looked good with a £2.19 profit, but then we spotted the sales, 0. Now obviously if an item isn't selling, it's not even worth going for it, even if it does make a profit. Not a great start to our trip so far. We then moved on to the headphone aisle and scanned these Zamac headphones. We can buy these for £13 and they sell on Amazon for £36, and they sell up to 87 times a month. So that's £15 profit per unit, which means these items make over £1,300 each month on Amazon. And just next to these were some Spider-Man headphones. These were £9 and they sold on Amazon for £17, and they were selling up to 87 times a month. So that's £2.69 profit per unit, and with the sales, it means this listing was making up to £234 profit every month on Amazon. As we were on a roll, we thought we'd try some more headphones and tried these Barbie ones, but these ones didn't even exist. We called it a day at the shop, and we're heading back to the office now to review some of these products. So that's how Home Bargains went. As you saw, we found 2 potentially profitable deals which could be sold on Amazon, and between them they were making over £1,500 profit every month on that listing. Now of course, that is for the whole listing. That's not how much profit you're going to make or how much I'm going to make. We have competition. We can't buy that much stock, and the prices can come down as well. But the idea of retail arbitrage is you can find loads of items like this, and many of them are replenishable, which means you can keep buying them over and over and sending them into Amazon as you increase the number of lines you sell, because you don't just sell a couple of items. With retail and online arbitrage, you keep sending in more and more items, and you find new items all the time. So with Home Bargains done, next up we're going to head into Dunelm. But before we did do that, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive Profitl discount code for our YouTube viewers, and this is so you can get access to our mobile app, but also all of our web tools, our DealFinder as well. So this is going to save you either 20% on monthly plans or 5% on yearly plans, and yearly plans already have over 50% off. So we'll make it pop up just here, so take that down if you did want to save some money on your Profitl subscription. So on to Dunelm now, and we're going to do some more scanning using the Profitl mobile app. The first item we scanned was this Status wireless doorbell, but this was £5 cheaper on Amazon, so that would be a minus £8 profit. We tried a few more items like this Sorbo scrub sponge. This was another loss, minus 62p profit per unit loss there. We then found some more promising items, but there was some issues. This Chef Aid vinegar bottle was making £3 profit, but it wasn't selling, and as we mentioned earlier, that's no good. It needs to sell. This Adas spray mop was the same, £2.91 profit, but not selling again. It wasn't a good start to this store, and we was thinking of stopping, but we carried on with a few more items, and we finally came across one which had potential. So this garlic chopper we could buy for £5.50, and it sold on Amazon for £16, so that was a £5.23 profit per unit after Amazon fees, and it was selling up to 200 times a month. Now Amazon do also sell on this, so we'd of course be checking if they actually share the buy box, but it means that this Amazon listing is making over £1,000 profit every month. This was the only deal we found in Dunelm today, so we're heading back to the office now. So we're back in the office after heading to Dunelm, and unfortunately it wasn't the most successful trip in there. We found found much better products in Home Bargains, to be honest, and we did expect that because Dunelm is renowned for being quite expensive. But the garlic chopper wasn't too bad, but as we mentioned, Amazon were selling on that listing, so realistically that would only be one for more experienced sellers, because if you are a new seller, you don't want to be competing against Amazon. Realistically, Amazon are really hard to compete against. They do share the buy box on some products, but most products they don't, or at least it's very hard to win the buy box. And of course they're going to be buying it for way cheaper than you can buy it for as well, so if they need to drop their price, they can do that, and you probably couldn't without starting to lose money. So if you are a new Amazon seller, probably best to avoid ones where Amazon are also selling on. So there we have it. We spent 1 hour in total in the shop scanning products for retail arbitrage. We found 3 products which had potential for Amazon, the 2 pairs of headphones in Home Bargains, and then the garlic chopper in Dunelm. Between them, they were making about 2,500 profit every month on Amazon. But of course, that is all of the sales on the listing, so that's not how much profit you're going to make. But we do hope that shows the pure potential of retail arbitrage and Amazon FBA. We don't tell people to do retail arbitrage on its own. You want to be combining it with online arbitrage and also wholesale, and use them methods together to build a really successful Amazon FBA business. Realistically, you'll have the most chance doing online arbitrage, but retail arbitrage is a great tool to have. You can often find some great deals which you're not going to find online. It can also be a bit more fun as well. It's quite fun going out to the shops and scanning items. Now, most items you do scan will probably be no good, but the key with retail arbitrage is just keep scanning and scanning and scanning, and eventually you find these deals. Over time as well, you do learn the types of products you should be scanning and which ones to avoid. So it does become a lot easier the more you do it. And if you are a little bit nervous about scanning products, you're worried about what people may think, don't be. You're never going to see any of these people again. So just crack on scanning and build a really successful Amazon FBA business. So we hope you found that video interesting. Please do give it a like and hit that subscribe button if you did take any value or if you enjoyed it. If there's any other videos you'd like us to make, please let us know in the comments. But that's all for today. We will see you in the next one.